be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I'm going to be doing this super easy summertime makeup tutorial. I absolutely love how this makeup look turned out, and I quickly wanted to mention that I did partner up with INV Kiss, which I have their eyelashes on today. Thank you so much, INV by Kiss, for partnering up with me to do this video for you guys, and I just freaking love how this makeup look turned out. I also used their brow pomade, and you guys will see throughout the video how good the pomade is. But yeah, you guys, enough of me rambling. If you guys want to learn how to do this quick, easy summer glow, then please continue watching. Alright, so first I'm going to start by prepping my skin. So for today's primer, I'm going to be using my Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. It's this one right here. I'm just going to put a little pump behind my hand. So pretty much I always apply it on my T-zone all the time. I'm going to prime a little bit more with my Too Faced Hangover RX Replenishing Primer. It's really pressing that product into my skin. Last but not least, I'm going to take my Smashbox Primer Water. Now I'm just going to apply my Aquaphor Lip Repair Balm. So now that I have that good to go, I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation. I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. I have them in two shades because I really like how I mix these two. And I'm just going to start blending before it dries up. Alright, so now for concealer, I'm going to go ahead and conceal my under eye circles. Alright, so now I'm going to cream contour with my Smashbox Studio Skin Shaping Foundation. And now I'm just going to blend it with my MAC 230 brush. Whenever I do this foundation routine, my makeup always stays on, you guys, all the time, especially when I use my Hourglass Veil Mineralized Primer. So now I'm going to take my Tarte Medium Shape Tape Concealer, and all I'm going to do is kind of highlight these. Just clean the nose contour. I know this is a lot, but I'm going to take my light medium honey Tarte Shape Tape and just add the smallest amount under your eye, and I'm also going to put some on my forehead. And then I'm going to take whatever's left over right under here. And then I'm going to take a different brush for my nose contour. I always love to use my Tarte. I don't know the name of this brush, but again, I will have it down on my description box. Right, now I'm gonna set my under eyes with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in number 10. I got a new one because I was already out of it. Now taking some of the powder and just... And now I'm just gonna go ahead and take the sharper side of the sponge and just bake right here. Alright, so now it's time to bronze up. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Urban Decay Beached Bronzer. These are new actually, and I'm gonna be taking bronze. Ooh, that's really nice. Gonna apply some on my forehead. Apply some down my neck. Alright, so to contour a little bit more, I love taking my Becca Ebony Sun Scent Lip Bronzer. Just taking my Makeup Shack T21 brush. Alright, so now I'm gonna do my brows. I actually have these products from Kiss, these two right here. I have them in the shade dark brown and chocolate, so I don't know which one. I think I'm gonna try dark brown, and if it's too dark, I'm gonna take chocolate. Oh, they even have like their own little like shaping. I think I'm gonna skip on these. These are really cool though if you guys, you know, have more lighter brows. It also comes with a spoolie, which is amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and run the spoolie right on my brows just to get rid of any like powder. I haven't tried a pomade in a really long time, so I hope I really like this one. And this is how the packaging looks like. Super cute. It says I Envy Kiss. And again, I'm using dark brown. Wow, the consistency is pretty good, you guys. Look. But I always like to apply the product right behind my hand. I feel like I'm gonna really like this product. All right. Wow, this is nice. Okay, Envy Kiss. If it's looking a little too harsh, I always like to run my spoolie and then just like flicker it up. You guys know that I love using pencils, like brow pencils, to sculpt my brows first. But this is so nice because when I apply it, it automatically just like dries down. It's not like slippery, if you know what I'm saying. All right, so now I'm gonna clean up my brows really quick. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do this brow off camera and then I'll be right back to do the eyeshadow part. Alright guys, so now that my brows are done, I'm so impressed on how this pomade works. Like at first I was very like kind of, you know, scared to try because I'm always using, you guys know that I just love using my Benefit, precisely my brow pencil, but the pomade is so freaking good. Like Kiss needs to send me more because it's like good, like, and I love the shade too. And one thing that I really like too is that they look very natural. They don't look like super, you know, like harsh. All right, so for today's eyeshadow, I'm gonna be taking my Urban Decay Peach eyeshadow palette. This is actually a new product, so I can't wait to try this palette. All right, so the first shade that I'm gonna be taking is Daybreak, this one right here in the palette. And I'm just gonna add this on my crease as a transition color. Alright, so we're gonna keep it super simple. I'm gonna take a different brush, but taking Daybreak again, and then just focus this color right on the edge. Alright, so we're gonna stop a little bit there. We're gonna go back to our eyeshadow, but I'm gonna be doing eyeliner now. I'm super excited because I'm gonna be taking the INV Wing It eyeliner in black. This is how the packaging looks like. It's the INV gel eyeliner. I feel like this product's gonna be good. I just like to apply whatever excess here on the back of my hand. Alright, so now for eyelashes, I'm actually so excited to apply my eyelashes because I'm going to be using the INV lashes, and I have 5 pairs here. You guys, these lashes are so fluffy. They are the VLux Real 3D Mink lashes, and they're actually cruelty free, and these lashes are actually 100% made with mink fur. They were collected through free range mink farms during the mink's natural shedding season. I'm deciding whether to use Real Amour or Real Dokes, but these are right here. I'm gonna actually show you guys how beautiful these lashes look, and I love the packaging. Like, look how cute. It just lights off like this. It's not like on the side. Sometimes when eyelashes are from the side, it gets very annoying because sometimes you just want to tear the whole package, but I like how these just slide like this, and look how beautiful these lashes look. So I'm just gonna see these right here. These look amazing too. These are a Real Amour. Let me show you guys. Look how pretty these are. I'm gonna use Real Amour. What I like to do is measure them and see if they fit good on my eye. If they don't, I'm gonna cut a little bit on the edge, right on the outer corner. I'm not going to do the inner corner because sometimes that just doesn't work for me, so I'm just going to do the outer corner. And for today's glue, I'm going to be taking the INV Super Strong Hold Eyelash Adhesive Glue. Oh my god, I hit myself. I actually heard really great things about this adhesive glue. So this is how the adhesive glue looks like. Oh, it's actually black, which I'm very happy about. Now I'm going to be putting some on the lash band. I'm going to let them sit for a little bit so they can get a little tacky. But meanwhile, I'm going to curl my eyelashes, and let me show you guys the eyelash curler that INV has. That one is so freaking good. Let me get it really. So this is the eyelash curler that I was talking about. I'm starting to like these kinds of curlers rather than like the regular eyelash curlers because it really like just curls them up. And now I'm just gonna add a little bit of mascara. But now I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lashes. There's that glue right here. Wow, it's really nice. So there you have it. Pretty and fluffy and long. These eyelashes look. They're so pretty. All right, so if you guys want your eyelashes more curlier, and I know these lashes are so curly, but what I like about this eyelash curler is that it gets all of the lashes, which is crazy because sometimes like regular eyelash curlers, like this one right here, doesn't fit all the eyelashes because they're just so big. So now I'm gonna do my lower lash line. I'm gonna take the same eyeshadow from the Urban Decay Beached eyeshadow palette, applying this right under my eye. So I'm just gonna apply some mascara really quick. Alright, so now I'm going to apply some blush. I'm going to be taking these Morphe Blush Quads. These are the Blush Trio blushes, and I think I'm going to take Pop of Coral. Take all 3. First this one, then this one, then this one. And see if I like. Ooh, that's pretty. Now that we're finished with that, I'm going to go ahead and take the powder and kind of like carve down here. I'm gonna dust it off now. Alright, Alright, so last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and do my highlight. I'm gonna be using the Persona Zuma highlighter, and this is in Cali Glow. So I'm gonna be applying it with my Morphe M509 brush. I actually swatched this already. Oh, yeah. It swatched like that too. I'm a little shook. I'm gonna take another brush and then just spread this all over. I'm also going to be applying the highlighter on my inner corner to finish up the eye look. I almost forgot to apply this highlighter right under my brow bone. I just realized that my camera did turn off when I was doing my lips. So the lip that I'm wearing right now, I'm wearing my favorite MAC Strip Down Lip Liner with the KKW Beauty times Mario Classic K lipstick. It's this one right here. And then I topped it off with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. That's why my lips look super glossy, because of the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. So yeah, these three products right here. Alright guys, so that concludes my finished results. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I absolutely love how these eyelashes make my eye shape look. They look more enhanced. They look so much bigger, and they don't feel heavy at all, which I freaking love. And most importantly, they don't take away from the eyeshadow, and they're super inexpensive, you guys. They're mink lashes and they're just super inexpensive, which I love them even more because of that. You guys know that I love my affordable makeup, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this super easy summer makeup tutorial. If you guys want to know where to get these eyelashes, I will have a link right on top of my description box, so you guys can go ahead and check them out. I'm like speechless right now of how good these eyelashes look on my eye, and also my brows. My brows look so good right now. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.